Sir Arnold, may date na ba yung yung homecoming parade?
Pag-usapan namin siguro mamaya, but definitely we don't know yet her schedule. I know pareho silang may iwan din si CJ and Emma will stay muna dito sa Thailand. Siguro when they get back, both of them deserve a recognition. It's a back-to-back. So it's the first time it happened. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Without the help of the pageant media, hindi naman tayo.
Thank you, Mexico. And next,
na yan.
Guatemala.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, sa ating mga kababayan, at saka sa pageant media. Sana continue supporting the ALB Pageant Circle so that we are more inspired, to produce a very good production and to discover more beautiful Filipina that we can, showcase to the world.
Ang lakas mo kasi sa amin, ALB Hindi ka namin mahindi.
Sir, ano pong secret?
Thank you. Let's out
hard work
Colombia.
to study,
Colombia.
to support the Queen. And kailangan
Let's go to Colombia.
Kunin mo yun the best. Huwag kang magpadala sa ibang tao. Dapat kunin mo yung ano ang instinct mo. You have to follow. And of course, the most important is the totality na Queen. Yung number one is the attitude. It is willing to work. Willing to, it's not easy to produce para mag-join sa competition. Para din yan kay Manny Pacquiao na boxing, na parang din yung basketball. Mas worse pa na ito kasi ginagamitan ko ng utak.
Thank you. And then, next out, Chef Liphopwe. Chef Liphopwe.
In the beauty and intelligence
Chef Liphopwe.
mentality. At saka maganda rin dito na po-promote ang country natin, di ba, na po-promote ang tourism industry natin. Na sana madala ko ang Miss Grand sa 2028. Yun nung aming pinag-usapan sa 2028 dahil sila, like I said, 26 will be in India, 27 meron ng ibang country, 2028 isa ako sa mga nakapila.
Wow. Congratulations.
I hope the award sa Philippines para ma-promote din naman natin ng Philippines. Very successful ang Lisbon, napakalaking organization na rin to. At napapanood ko.
And last but not least,